Now, the federal government has approved the establishment of a new group purchasing organization named Medipool. This organization aims to reduce the cost of essential medicines and expand access to quality healthcare across Nigeria. Coordinating Minister of Health and Social Welfare Ali Pate disclosed this to State House correspondents on Monday after the Federal Executive Council meeting presided over by President Bola Tinubu at the Presidential Villa. He said the move aligns with President Tinubu's directive to ensure lower pharmaceutical prices and boost local drug manufacturing.
The first is in line with the direction of the President for Nigerians to have lowered cost of drugs and wider access to essential medicines, quality access. This has been work that we have been undertaking for many months. In fact, for almost a year and a half, government has been trying different ways to reduce the cost because we know that Nigerians were hurting because of rising cost of pharmaceuticals. It's not limited to Nigeria, as you may be aware. Even countries as far as the United States are placing executive orders to reduce the cost of pharmaceuticals. But in line with the presidential initiative to unlock the healthcare value chain and the executive order which Mr. President signed in June 2024, that executive order provided incentives for local manufacturing by taking away tariffs for import of raw materials so that we can encourage our local manufacturers. There's an element of that executive order which is to allow us to shape the market by aggregating the demand in the Nigerian health space and channel that demand to encourage our local suppliers. Today, Federal Executive Council approved Medipool. It's a group purchasing organization for competitive pricing and to be a supplier of essential medicine and healthcare products across Nigeria that are funded through the federal government's intervention, the Basic Healthcare Provision Fund, but also potentially outside that through federal tertiary hospitals, so that as a buyer, we can negotiate lower prices. So it's using the monopoly power of government as a large buyer of those commodities, negotiate lower prices, and then channel those commodities. And the scope includes, but it's not limited to, procurement planning, distribution, monitoring, supply chain logistics management, quality assurance, regulatory compliance, as well as ensuring that local manufacturers are supported and import substitution, the financial management and payment systems, as well as capacity building and training and contingency planning to ensure steady availability of essential drugs that are the quality that Nigerians can benefit and at a lower cost through a public-private partnership. And that vehicle, Medipool, has been vetted through the Infrastructure Concession and Regulatory Commission, has been benchmarked with other global group purchasing organizations, including Kenya, South Africa, Singapore, Saudi Arabia, and many other countries. And we believe that this is a major intervention that will shape the domestic market so that the demand for pharmaceuticals, quality pharmaceuticals, can be channeled in a way that lowers cost and also improves quality and stimulates local manufacturing.